What's up, y'all? It's Macy. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, I'm an artist in Savannah, Georgia. And today we're going to be refreshing my shelves in my kitchen. And I thought it'd be fun to give you a few tips on how you can style your own shelves. First things first, you got to start with a clean base. So I'm just taking all of the junk off of the shelves that has accumulated, and I'm giving everything a nice clean because the dust is just out of hand. I try to keep up with it, but you know, when things get crazy, things get crazy. I made these shelves myself. I just stained a few 2x10s, and then I also put a clear coat on them so they're much easier to clean. And I really like these fish plates, but I broke the freaking tail off of the fish plates when I used them, so that's why they ended up on the shelf over the summertime. Alright, y'all, I have cleaned off my shelves, and now I'm going to start adding everything back in. And when you do this, remember, less is more. So stick with one color and just go with it. So for mine, I'm kind of going to do neutral colors because we're kind of in between Labor Day and September, so we're kind of going to be fallish, but not really. So I'm waiting for like October to start decorating for like Halloween and stuff. But anywho, I'm definitely going to keep this plant up here. It's been thriving up here. It's a pothos, but that's her home. She likes it there, so I'm not about to move her. So I have that. I really want to put this guac bowl somewhere because it just chills on our counter. I'm going to put her on this side, I think. It could be on the top, but it's so low that you wouldn't be able to see it from the top unless you're like really tall. So I'm going to keep that there. I also have a Salted Souls Gallery framed print. This is one of my oyster shells, and I just love this frame, so I'm gonna put it here for now. I'm gonna just put her here. And I also got this really small little charcuterie board. Look how cute. This was actually a gift for our wedding, but I was like, what better way to use it than for display? So I'm gonna put that there. I think that looks pretty good. I might move this over just a bit. And so now the only thing I have to do is fill up that space up there. And if you have some really cute cookbooks, you can prop up there and do like 2 bookends. That'd be really cute. But I don't have any cute cookbooks. Like, they all are torn apart. There's sauce all over them, so I'm not going to display my cookbooks. But I thought it'd be cool to put like a tea pitcher up there or some kind of cute glassware or vase. I do have this cute tea pitcher, but the only problem is it's clear, so you're not really going to be able to see it as like a statement. But I'm going to put it up there anyway for now. And, I mean, that's pretty freaking cute if you ask me. I'm definitely going to be looking for a colored tea pitcher or vase. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Look how easy that is. And for the microwave here, I really don't know what to put there. So, I found this plant in my house. It's a little fake plant. And I'm just going to put it there because it looks kind of cute. I do have one cookbook. Put that there with a little plant on it. Maybe? I don't know. Let's see. Alright, y'all. I think I might have found a cuter alternative than this. I did find another cookbook, which is a different size, so maybe it'll give it a bit more dimension. But it is green, so. But I did find this candle around my house. So I thought that might be a little cuter. What do we think? Not feeling the green book. Maybe that's all she wrote. Let's see. take a look back. That definitely looks better than the other green plant. You know what y'all think down in the comments. You can definitely do open shelving in your kitchen. I kept a few mugs here because it's right above the coffee maker, so it makes sense. Just play around with it. I have a blog post linked in the description if you want some more styling tips and tricks. Keep it simple, stick with the pop of color. I also like to put a cute dish on my microwave with all of my fruits on it. Right now I don't have any fruit that's worth eating, but I will show you what I had there before, which I really like. It's this cute fish plate with some literally just random like old limes that I need to throw away, but it is a cute addition also. Another tip you want to keep in mind when styling shelving is varying the heights. It's good to have different levels of height so it's not just basic one level. Other thing is personal items. Here I have this watercolor paintings that means a lot to me, and if you love something, incorporate it into your space. Let it remind you of those fun memories you've had somewhere, and just do it. Another great tip for styling shelving is keep it balanced. So here you see I have a little gray over here. I have a little gray over here. And that also ties in with the gray of my coffee, microwave. Just, you know, make it make sense. Another thing that I really like about this guac bowl is it kind of matches the splotchiness of my countertop. So that's why I decided to put it up there. I'm also going to try one more thing before I call it quits. I'm not really liking this vase. I like the height of it, but I'm going to take it down and see what it looks like when I add some of these gold rimmed plates up there. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I'm looking at my china cabinet right now to see what else I could throw up there. I have to put one on a stand, probably, so it sits up like that. That'd be cute. But I don't want to risk breaking them, so. It's settled. This is going back up here. And these are gold rim also. I could turn them up this way to showcase how pretty they are. But I'll definitely have to rinse them out before I use them because there will be dust in them. And that one's not like it, so I'm just going to leave it down. And here's the final product, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and see me in my next video.